fighting against one another.
Tell them, bro.
Let us rise above the sacred.
Okay,
let's stand
strong
and
let love reign above us.
Come join in celebration, embracing one another. Let love grow and bridge this great divide. Right here, let's stand together. Forge our path to unity, and let the goal of peace prevail. No matter who you are, no matter where you go, come witness the culture of our land.
I love this one. Yes, hello Naga people, Nagaland. He's from Africa, your African boy Gabs. And today we have one video by the title Imna Yaden, Call of Hornbill, guys. So previous I reacted to a lot of Nagaland music video and the Nagaland festival, like the Hornbill festival, guys. And I really fell in love. Like I just love the Hornbill festival, guys. I really can't wait, and I just promised myself like 2000, like next year, definitely I have to witness the Hornbill festival, because when I was watching video, oh my god, it was so beautiful, like seeing the tradition, the culture, and the talent. Like, oh my gosh, it was so beautiful, so amazing. Like everyone really wished to attend this kind of festival. And also there is one cultural troupe. It's called Konrak, something like that. Konrak cultural troupe, whereby those troupe, they have the gun, like this old kind of gun, and they have to shoot it. It is also part of the Nagaland culture, guys. So I also reacted to those videos. You can go and check it out. Mostly I react to Northeast, and yeah, Northeast talent music. And I also previous went to Meghalaya, so I'll be visiting also Northeast one by one, guys. So make sure to subscribe, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much. All the best to all of you. So let's start. So let's see the call of the hornbill. Let's see their culture, the original of Naga. We have English subtitle, guys. Thank you for that. This is the Naga tribe.
Our hearts and doors always open. Beautiful people from around the world.
Speaking English.
We welcome you all to the land of the land with many colors and dance.
Wow, that is Nagaland.
Together, living all our differences, spend this very world with colors.
So let's all come together
with one heart, one soul and mind, and build a world of peace and love. No matter who you are, no matter where you're from, come witness the culture of our land.
Woo, this is what I'm telling you.
This glorious milestone. Let's get in the
heart of Nagaland. Nagaland. This is so beautiful song, guys.
A land that's blessed and touched by His mighty hand. Nagaland,
land of peace,
a home for every nation and every race. Let's dance to the beat of the drums, to the tune of warriors, enchanted by the celebration.
To the land of my Nagaland. Wait a minute, guys. Just wait. Oh my gosh, you know, what a beautiful song, guys. Who composed this song? I think Imna Yaden. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This should be, the government should use this song. This should be a second national anthem song for the Nagaland, guys. Oh my god. This is why I told you guys, everyone will really love to visit Nagaland. Like, I didn't expect like to hear those words in this song, these beautiful words presenting the culture, the tradition, and how welcoming are the words. Oh my, I just felt so love, so peaceful. Oh my gosh, I love this song, guys. Just let's continue. Oh my gosh, amazing start.
When the world is living in fear,
fighting
against one another.
Tell them, bro.
Let us rise above the sacred.
Okay,
let's stand
strong and let love reign above us.
Come join in celebration, embracing one another. Let love grow and bridge this great divide. Right here, let's stand together. Forge our path to unity, and let the call of peace prevail. No matter who you are, no matter where you're from, come witness the culture of our land.
I love this one.
This glorious milestone. Let's get in the heart of Nagaland. Land of grace, the land of grace. By His mighty hand. Nagaland, the land of peace. A home for every nation and every race. Let's dance to the beat of the drums, to the tune of warriors, enchanted by the celebration. My Nagaland, land of grace, God's chosen land, Nagaland.
See, beautiful faces, beautiful people, beautiful culture. Hey. Oh my gosh, see, the most beautiful word here is no matter which race you are or no matter you come from, come and embrace the culture of Nagaland, the God chosen land. Oh my God. This song, oh, believe me guys, this song, I don't know how to describe it, but this is just healing song. This is a really healing song. I'm pretty sure whoever watching from Nagaland will never skip this kind of song by liking it, guys. This is, oh my gosh, it's my first time reacting to Imna Yaden. Bro, you are so talented. And imagine, I didn't expect that I didn't expect him that to be singing in English. Because, you know, most of Nagaland song I reacted to it, most of them, they're in local. Like, they're mostly local song. There is no English. But today I'm listening to a beautiful English song, most meaningful and most impressing, most encouraging and culture promoting also. Oh my God. Nagaland, God bless you all, guys. Because of this song, I also got so much inspired to visit Nagaland, the God chosen land, to witness the Hornbill Festival. Believe me, see you next year, guys. See you next year. I can't wait to witness and to shoot that Conrad culture gun, man. I can't wait. I love you all, guys. Thank you all for the support to my channel. And in case you are not part of this God chosen land, so kindly subscribe so that when I come to Nagaland, you will just watch my vlogs in this channel. I post reaction and vlogs at the same channel, mostly for Northeast people. I really love the Northeast people. I want to explore, to learn, to see, to expose their culture and tradition, everything, guys. Love from Africa. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Make sure to like this song. Let's promote this song, guys. This is really a beautiful song. Anyone, everyone from wherever, what race they are, they will definitely love this song, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all.